What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to record slow motion videos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So to record the slow motion video, open your camera. Now here tap on this more option. Now from here select slow motion, or you can also select super slow motion. So select the option from these two options to record a slow motion video. After selecting, to start recording, tap on this shutter button. So tap on this shutter button and then the recording will be started. Now to stop, again tap on this button and then the video recording will be stopped. Now to check, you can open your gallery. So this is the slow motion video that we have recorded. So that's how you can record slow motion videos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.